Check out these fresh oysters because today I'm going to show you how to make them unlike anything you've had before. These juicy little ocean gems are packed with flavor, loaded with heart healthy omega 3s to support brain and eyes, and filled with immune boosting zinc to help your body stay strong. And the best part, they're surprisingly low in calories while still tasting incredibly rich and satisfying. Just one oyster delivers nearly half your daily zinc intake while melting in your mouth with every bite. Today's recipe takes oysters to a whole other level. It's going to be topped with creamy, dairy-free flavors that taste outrageously indulgent without feeling heavy. Smoky, savory, fresh, buttery, and addictive enough to make just one more bite turn out to be an empty tray before you realize it. If you think oysters are slimy, boring, or something people at rich, expensive restaurants eat, this video might actually change your mind. First step is to wash the oysters. We want to remove the mud and prevent bacteria when opening the oyster. Get a pot of hot water going, and let's drop the oysters in there. Okay, so we're just going to boil them for like a minute, and they should pop open a little bit too. Some may take a little longer to open up, but they will open up.
Here, look at this one.
Ooh.
So this is a small one that's on top of a big one.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Slowly go through each oyster and see if there's a slight crack, so then you know it's ready to be pulled apart. Okay.
You'll see some of them open. You want to put a knife and then just twist.
And turn.
And then suddenly you have
Okay.
a
Ooh.
lovely oyster. This is a small one.
Wow. That looks pretty. That's not bad. Okay, look at this one. Let me see.
Try it open.
What's in? It's like opening a gift. What's in the gift? What's in the gift? Whoa.
Big one.
A big juicy one.
Big juicy one.
And then I wanted to give some extra flavor for the filling. I thought about green onions, which are good for joint and muscle health. And then I thought of something soft, like lion's mane. Lion's mane is known to reduce neuroinflammation and protect against cognitive decline. For some flavor, I threw in a little bit more than a tablespoon of coconut aminos, and this is my replacement for soy sauce. Then I added a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, which is basically salt and some paprika. If you know me by now, I always use ginger garlic paste, so I'm using 1 tablespoon, which is 1 clove of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger. Don't forget to taste. Well, that's good. It had a smoky umami flavor, but something was missing. Oh, a garlic powder. I just used half or a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Just put a teaspoon of this mixture into the oyster shell. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just put some little bit of spinach on all of these. And finally, I put a small piece of dairy-free cheese into this for that rich, creamy flavor and texture. Just pop them in the air fryer for 5 minutes, and oh my gosh, they look so good when they got out. Look at this one, guys. Ooh. Getting the oyster out of the shell wasn't exactly graceful. It was slippery from all that creamy dairy-free topping. But the second I took a bite, it was pure flavor heaven. The oyster hit first with that bold, briny, buttery richness, layered with bright citrus, roasted garlic, and deep umami flavors. The lion's mane mushroom came out through with the soft, tender, almost melt-in-your-mouth texture that soaked up every bit of that goodness. The combination was rich, savory, fresh, and ridiculously satisfying. Ooh, I wish you were there to eat this with me. Thank you for watching this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for more recipes. Have a great day and be blessed.